Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to change the like button to a follow button on a Facebook page. If you want to change the like button to a follow button on a Facebook page, you can follow some major steps. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you do not already have one, you can create a new account to continue. On the top right corner, you will find the menu option. Now, tap on it, and you will need to switch to your Facebook page. To do that, tap on the down arrow icon next to your Facebook profile. After tapping on it, it will switch to your Facebook page. On the home page, tap on your profile. Hit the Professional Dashboard button. Here, you will see your insights in a graphical representation. Then, go back and tap on the three dots to reach your page settings. You will find different options and tap on View As. It will show you the page, and you can scroll down. Now, tap on the Follow button. It will show you that the action you are trying to take does not work while using View As. Following that, hit the OK button and go back. Go to the home page and tap on the Menu tab. On the top, select the gear icon to reach the settings and privacy. Tap on the search bar and search for followers. Here, tap on Followers and Public Content. Scroll down and enable the Hide Posts and Comments with Profanity. Lastly, scroll up, and it will change the like button to a follow button on the Facebook page. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.